Myth or miracle? But is it really a miracle cure, or just another internet fad? The truth is, mewing, this simple tongue posture technique, has exploded on social media, with millions claiming life-changing results. But is it all hype, or is there some science behind it? Conflicting testimonials, before and after pics that seem too good to be true. It's hard to know what to believe. That's why we're here today. So, does mewing actually work? Can it really transform your jawline? And more importantly, is it safe? Get ready to have your questions answered as we embark on a journey to demystify the myth of the miracle cure. Stay tuned, because the truth about mewing might just surprise you. So what exactly is this mewing everyone's talking about? In its simplest form, it's all about your tongue placement. Instead of letting it rest lazily at the bottom of your mouth, mewing advocates suggest keeping it pressed firmly against the roof of your mouth, from the front to the back. Now, before you scoff and think, this is just another fad, here's the interesting part. The concept of proper tongue posture isn't entirely new. Ancient yogic practices, and even some traditional cultures, have emphasized the importance of tongue position for overall health and well-being. But hold on, mewing isn't about channeling your inner ancient yogi, although, hey, no harm there. Today's online obsession focuses primarily on its potential impact on facial aesthetics, particularly sculpting a sharper jawline. While this is certainly a driving force behind its popularity, it's important to remember that mewing is more than just a miracle cure for jawline envy. Remember that split-screen intro with the dramatic transformations? Well, let's just say the science surrounding those claims is still hazy. But before we dive into the deep end of research, let's clear up some common misconceptions. Mewing isn't some revolutionary discovery. It's a practice with historical roots, even if the internet hype makes it seem brand new. It's not all about the jawline. While aesthetics might be the main attraction, proponents claim mewing has benefits beyond facial structure, like improved breathing and sleep. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's anatomy and needs are different, so blindly following online trends without proper guidance could be risky. So, can mewing really deliver on its jaw-dropping tinted promises? The honest answer is it's complicated. While some studies suggest potential benefits for facial structure, like improved posture and bone density, the evidence is far from conclusive. Most research falls under the category of case studies or small-scale investigations, lacking the robust methodology needed to draw definitive conclusions. Think of it like this. Imagine comparing two photos, one before and one after mewing, showing a more defined jawline. Sure, it's tempting to attribute the change to mewing, but what if other factors like weight loss or lighting played a role? That's why larger, controlled studies are crucial to separate truth from wishful thinking. Now let's explore specific areas of claimed benefits. Facial structure. While some studies hint at possible positive effects on bone density and posture, they haven't directly linked these changes to a sculpted jawline. More research is needed to understand the long-term impact and individual variations. Breathing proponents claim it improves nasal breathing, potentially reducing sleep apnea symptoms. However, existing research hasn't provided concrete evidence to support this claim. While proper tongue posture might indirectly contribute to better sleep, there's no robust scientific evidence to suggest mewing alone can treat sleep apnea. Consulting a medical professional remains the recommended course of action for this condition. It's important to remember, science is an ongoing journey, and new discoveries can reshape our understanding. But for now, the scientific jury is still out on mewing's effectiveness for many of its claimed benefits. However, this doesn't mean mewing is entirely without merit. Maintaining proper tongue posture might hold some potential benefits, but it's crucial to approach it with realistic expectations and prioritize consulting healthcare professionals for personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Remember those before and after pictures that flooded the internet? They paint a rosy picture of mewing's transformative power. But before you get swept away by the hype, let's take a critical look at these claims and anecdotes. These dramatic transformations certainly grab attention, But are they all they seem? It's important to consider factors like confirmation bias, where people tend to focus on experiences that confirm their existing beliefs. Additionally, the placebo effect can play a powerful role, leading individuals to perceive improvements even if there's no actual change. It's crucial to approach anecdotal evidence with caution. While personal experiences can be valuable, they don't constitute scientific proof. We need well-designed studies with control groups to truly understand the effectiveness and potential risks of mewing. That's right. Mewing, while seemingly harmless, can have unintended consequences if done incorrect. Improper technique can lead to teeth misalignment, TMJ issues, and even headaches. That's why consulting a healthcare professional before embarking on any facial exercise routine, including mewing, is crucial. Remember, the online world is full of conflicting information. Some influencers might promote unrealistic expectations or even harmful practices. It's essential to consult credible sources and prioritize medical professionals' guidance over sensationalized claims. Now let's delve into the potential downsides of mewing, because responsible exploration demands awareness of both benefits and risks. While it might seem like a simple tongue placement, improper technique can lead to unintended consequences. Imagine diligently practicing mewing, only to end up with misaligned teeth or painful TMJ issues. Unfortunately, this isn't just a hypothetical scenario. Incorrect tongue posture can exert pressure on your jaw and teeth, potentially leading to these problems. Remember, your jaw is a complex system, and messing with it without proper guidance can have repercussions. That's why consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new facial exercise routine, including mewing, is crucial. They can assess your individual anatomy and needs, providing personalized advice and ensuring you're practicing safely. Beyond physical risks, there are ethical concerns surrounding unrealistic beauty standards and potentially harmful trends. The internet is flooded with images of perfect jawlines, fueling insecurities and pushing people towards extreme solutions. It's important to remember that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes, and chasing unrealistic ideals can be detrimental to mental and physical well-being. Let's prioritize health and individuality over chasing fleeting trends. Instead of fixating on achieving a specific look, focus on holistic well-being and practices that support your unique body and mind. So, have we demystified the myth of the miracle cure? The truth is, mewing remains an intriguing practice with potential benefits, but the science is still far from definitive. Remember, it's a posture technique, not a magic bullet for instant facial transformations. Approach mewing with a critical eye, prioritize your health and well-being above all else, and always consult healthcare professionals for personalized guidance before embarking on any new facial exercise routine. Don't fall prey to online hype or misinformation. Responsible research and seeking expert advice are key. With that said, thanks for watching. Your journey of informed exploration doesn't end here. Share your thoughts and responsible experiences in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation about mewing in a healthy and responsible way. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can navigate the world of health and wellness with critical thinking and open minds. Until next time,